Okay, guys, so just a moment. So, vocab. So, can anyone tell me why we are here? Why
For
we are here?
speaking,
Hmm?
for speaking,
For speaking. But why we are in today's vocab session?
vocab also be essential
Yes.
or
देखो,
necessary.
guys, see. Why vocabulary is important? If you really want to become an impressive and effective speaker, definitely you should enrich your vocabulary. You should enrich your vocabulary. That's why through the vocabulary, you can easily impress your audience. So instead of using the basic words, if you can use some advanced vocabulary, definitely you can impress your audience. Okay. So today I'm going to take a very different topic. Today we are not going to discuss some vocabulary words. I will give you some vocabulary words. No. Today's topic is, have you heard the word yes? Y-E-S. Have you, acha, if I ask, have
Yes,
you attended the last grammar session? And your answer is yes.
yes,
Okay. Next question. Setram,
yes,
did you
ma'am.
go to office today?
No, ma'am.
अच्छा चल सपोज करो आपका आंसर है यस सपोज आपका
Yeah,
आंसर है यस
yeah,
तो आप
yeah,
क्या बोलोगे यस ठीक है
yes,
ओके इफ
yeah,
आई आस्क सरस्वती हैव यू कुक द मील फॉर योर फैमिली
Yes,
yes so every time we say yes every time we say yes. Okay, so but in today's session, we are going to learn how to remove this simple yes with the advanced vocabulary. Not every time. देखो yes हम every time we say yes. We say yes. We are the Indians. We always say yes. But now the question is how we can say yes in a more polished way, in a more impressed way. Okay, so shall I
yes,
start?
yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay,
क्या
so
बोला
guys,
आपने?
in a more impressive way, how to say yes.
हाँ, what is the way
What is the?
of
I'm
remove the?
saying, I'm sharing, I'm sharing.
Okay.
I'm sharing. Okay. And guys, please note down the words which I'm going to share with you because after that, I will share one topic. On that topic, you have to use all these words. Okay. So don't say yes every time. Don't say yes every time. We can use a better version of yes. We can use a better version of yes. You can use yes in your daily conversations. Okay, in which situation we have to use yes? Bolo? In which situation
when
we have to use yes?
someone say
When
something
we,
positive,
Huh?
If you are agree the
Agree. If we are agree with someone, so then we say yes. Second point,
accepting that,
accepting the yes, acceptance. Then very nice. Third,
In conversation we have to use yes. If
yes, in
anybody asks
conversation.
something,
Yes.
if anybody asks something, and we have to
Say
reply
yes,
back.
yes. So then in the conversation also, we have
Yes.
to say yes. In the professional scenario, we have to say yes. Sometimes we are committed to someone, then we have to say yes. Okay, so these are the different situations in which we have to say yes. Okay, so professional circle also as well as in daily conversation, we have to say yes. But today we are doing 8 awesome words. Guys, today we are going to discuss 8 awesome words. Instead of saying yes, you have to say this thing. Okay, so let's roll the dice, guys. So let's start. Suppose now we are starting this with a situation. Okay, Jyoti, can you read this situation, dear?
Yeah, someone asks you, hey, could you please do me a favor?
Hmm.
Can you just hand over these markers to Sneha?
स्नेहा मैम ठीक है तो इला जी हाउ यू से
Yes, I can.
यस आई कैन वेरी गुड पार्था हाउ यू कैन से अनम्यूट पार्था
why not? Why not?
okay I think partha is not able to okay tushar how you can say
Sure.
sure
Definitely.
I can definitely sure definitely I can do okay
Ma'am,
yes
my opinion is obviously.
Obviously. Okay. Okay. Obviously. Okay. Saraswati.
किती वाजता पोहोचणार आहे सर?
Okay. So आपका हमारा most of the time we say yes. We say yes. Okay. Yes.
Can
Yes.
you
Yes.
hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay. I'm saying that certainly.
Certainly. Okay. Certainly. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. But what is a better version? You can say consider it done, ma'am. What you can say consider it done, ma'am. Consider it done, ma'am का हिंदी में मतलब होता है समझो कि ये हो गया. Consider it done, ma'am. Okay. So if someone is asking you कि will you do this for me and आपको बोलना है कि हाँ मैं कर दूंगा, समझ लो हो गया, मतलब मैं ये कर दूंगा. Instead of saying yes, what you have to say consider it done.
तो
Suppose
कंसिडर का एग्जैक्टली मीनिंग क्या हुआ मैम?
consider it done, मैम का मतलब है yes. Yes. समझो कि हो गया. समझो कि हो गया. Suppose.
मैंने नोटिस
Okay,
किया.
suppose Setram, आपका boss, your boss is saying to you कि okay Setram, this is a project where will you be able to complete this project tomorrow? Will you be able to complete this project tomorrow? Now he's a boss. You cannot say no. You always say yes, boss. So instead of saying yes, boss, what you will say?
Consider it done.
Consider it done.
Consider it done, sir. Consider it done, sir. Okay. But guys, please make sure that whenever you are using these better versions of yes, you have to work on your body language also. Body language. So whenever you are speaking, consider it done. So you must have smile and you must be cheerful. You cannot say under pressure. You cannot say under pressure. So whenever you are saying consider it done, sir, consider it done, ma'am, you must have smile and you must be cheerful. Okay, body gesture, body language पे भी आपको work करना है.
Yes.
It means yes, I'm happy to help you. Yes, I'm happy to help you. Okay? Clear? Suppose इला जी आपकी डॉटर कह रही है कि मम्मा मेडिसिन टाइम पे ले लेना, प्लीज डू मी अ फेवर, विल यू टेक द मेडिसिन ऑन टाइम. और आप क्या कहोगे इला जी कि हाँ यस आई विल टेक. मोस्टली हम क्या बोलेंगे? यस आई विल टेक. बट नो, डोंट से आई विल टेक. आप क्या बोलोगे?
कंसिडर आई विल.
कंसीडर इट डन. कंसीडर इट डन.
डन मतलब ये
Yes.
पूरा है ये.
हाँ, you have to say
कंसिडर
this.
विल कम इट डन.
हाँ, consider it done. You have to say consider it done.
Consider it done, dear.
Consider it done. Consider it done. Consider it done. Suppose Jyoti, your son is saying or your daughter is saying, suppose you are asking to your daughter or to your son, कि have you finished your homework? बच्चा क्या कहेगा? Yes, mama, I have completed. But instead of that, what your child will speak?
Consider it done.
Consider it done, mama. Consider it done. ठीक है? मम्मा, मैम, सर, कुछ भी बोलो, you can speak. But consider it done का मतलब होता है yes. Consider it done का मतलब है yes. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
And it convey what is it convey why are you written here?
Convey का मतलब ये आपको क्या convey क्या करता है? ये convey करता है कि yes, you are glad to help. You are glad to help. So whenever basically देखो yes के ना there are the different situations. So in which situation you have to use consider it done whenever you are glad to help someone. Help someone में case में you have to use this phrase consider it done. Consider it done. मतलब जहां पर भी आपको लगे ना please do me a favor. Favor अगर आपसे कोई favor मांग रहा है, if someone is asking a favor from you and you are saying कि yes definitely I will do.
Yeah, consider it done.
ठीक है? Will you, suppose करो, someone is asking, will you pick my son from my neighborhood? Will you pick my son from my neighborhood? Guys, suppose today I'm very busy. I have a meeting at my office. I'm not able to pick my son from my neighbor's house. Okay, so I'm asking to my friend कि यार please do me a favor. Will you pick my son from my neighbor's house? तो आप क्या बोलोगे? Consider it done. Yes,
consider it is done.
consider it done.
Done.
Mostly हम क्या बोलते हैं? Yes, why not? I will pick, but no need to say this thing. What you will say, consider it done,
Consider
dear.
it done.
By friend hai, so you can say dear. Consider it done, dear. Okay? Madam, I'm happy to help it. Is it clear, Jyoti?
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Matlab, if you will answer that in consider it done, you have to मतलब आपके body language to your attention is on your body language and how you are conveying that with
हाँ,
pleasure
but
or
हाँ मतलब it means कि that you are happy to help, मतलब you are yes to help, but you must be smiling and cheerful. मतलब you cannot say you are in a pressure और आप ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते consider it done. No, you must be have a smile. मतलब आप बड़े खुश हो. You are happy to help someone. Okay. Now
okay.
second situation. Yes, Tushar,
Yes,
read
ma'am.
it.
Someone who asks you, hey,
Hmm.
can we just meet casually and
चाहिए
on
मैं भी
Sunday
पूरा
on
सेंटेंस
Zoom?
लिखना तो नहीं है
नहीं, I will share this PDF. Tushar, speak louder.
One second. Hey, can we just meet casually on Sunday on Zoom, Recreation Club, and perform our talent?
So this is a situation. Suppose someone is asking, ki, hey Tushar, can we meet casually on Sunday on the Zoom Creation Club? Or you can perform our talents. So Tushar is saying, suppose some female colleague is asking from the Tushar. So definitely the Tushar will never say the no. So Tushar, what will say Tushar?
Consider it done,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. नहीं, consider it done नहीं हर इसमें कहना. Okay, now we are moving toward the second situation. But हमारा
Okay.
simple सा dialogue क्या होता है? Yes, definitely. Why
Okay.
not? Okay, we always speak
Yes,
in
ma'am.
this way. But what is a better version? Better version क्या? Wow, it sounds good. Let's go. Sounds good. Let's go.
Okay.
ठीक है तो सपोज करो the situation is that कि if someone is asking for some recreation, what do you mean by recreation activities?
Joyful activities.
Joyful activities. Recreation means होता है joyful. So whenever you have to, someone is asking from you to perform any talents or do any recreation activities, so then in that case, don't say yes. We always say sounds good. Let's go. Sounds good. Let's go. Suppose, Setram, Partha is asking from you. Ki, okay, Partha, I'm just giving
Yes,
one
yes.
situation. You ask Setram in English, and Setram, you have to give the answer in English by using the better version. Partha, आपका situation है कि धुरंधर मूवी रिलीज हुई है. ओके, धुरंधर. आई एम नॉट स्पीकिंग इन
Ma'am,
इंग्लिश.
sound is
यू हैव
not
टू.
coming.
हाँ.
Sound is disturbing.
Sound is disturbing. My sound
Yeah,
is
yeah.
not clear.
नहीं it is clear
No, no,
ma'am
clear,
Oh,
clear.
clear,
But,
it is clear.
but
for us
I
it is
can't.
clear
But I can't hear. Please repeat
Ach-
once more.
Okay. चलो, I'm taking Ajanta. Now I'm taking
Yes,
to
ma'am.
you. Ajanta, situation क्या है? Suppose Dhurandhar movie has been released. Okay, and you are asking from the Setram कि ये धुरंधर मूवी रिलीज हुई है, क्या आप मेरे साथ देखने चलोगे? कैसे बोलोगे इसको इंग्लिश में?
Setra Dhurandhar movie has released.
Has been released.
Has been
हाँ,
released.
हाँ,
Will you go to watch the movie with me?
हाँ. Will you
Would
come?
you
Will you come?
Will you come?
हाँ. Will you
Will you
come?
come to watch the movie with me?
Yes, Setram.
Yes, sound good. Let's to go.
ना यस ही तो नहीं बोलना सेतराम.
Yeah.
यस ही तो नहीं बोलना. लेस को ही तो हमारे को इस पिक्चर से रिमूव करना है. ठीक है, तो कैसे बोलोगे? स्पीक अगेन. हाँ,
Sounds good. Let's go.
हाँ. Sounds good. Let's go.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. Let's go. So when you are speaking, although you have a very smiling face, happy face, that's good, because body language क्या है? You must have the happy face. Because whenever someone is asking for the recreation activities or for any talent or any joyful activity, so definitely everyone should be in the happy mode. Okay. So in this situation where we have to use whenever you are excited to join. So when the excitement level is very high, so definitely you have to do this. Okay?
Yes.
Clear? Sounds
Yes,
good.
yes.
Sounds good. Let's go. Sounds good. Let's go.
Yes.
Suppose Jyoti, your kids are asking, Mama, let's क्या आज हम Kidzania चले? My vacations have been started, so let's go to Kidzania. तो
Yeah,
क्या?
sounds good.
हाँ, sounds good. Let's go.
Go.
ठीक है? Instead of saying yes, yes, definitely we will go. No, you will say sounds good. Let's go.
Go.
Ma'am, can I in this
Yes,
way?
yes, 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 Saraswati.
Sounds good. Oh, it sounds good. Sounds good. Let's go.
Ah, sounds good. Let's go. Sounds good.
Yes,
Let's go.
Sounds good. Let's
Suppose Saraswati, your team members, ठीक है, you are running a playway school, so your team member or your teachers are asking from you कि ma'am, can we arrange a party for the Diwali in our school? Can we arrange one Diwali party in our school? So Saraswati, being a principal, what is your answer? Simple answer: yes, yes, definitely we should arrange. But don't say this. What you will say?
Sounds good.
Let's go. हाँ, sounds good.
Ma-
Let's go.
Ma'am, if any invitations come from others and
Yes, and you are very excited, and whenever your excitement is very high, so then ever you say sounds good.
just
Sounds
like
good.
if my daughter says, Mom, I am coming home tomorrow. So I will say, sounds good, let's come. Let you
Let's come. Yes, yes. Then you cannot say कि let's go. वो तो आ रहे हैं, तो definitely you can say yes, sounds good. Let's come. Yeah, let's join. Let's join.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Let's sounds good means that means okay. Replace the sound good also.
हाँ, ओके ओके हो गया, यस हो गया, उन सबको रिप्लेस करके साउंड्स गुड.
Yeah,
साउंड्स गुड.
Ma'am, may I say, oh, it sounds good.
ओ नहीं,
It is
ओ नहीं, ओ नहीं, ओ नहीं, ओ नहीं सरस्वती. सिंपल बोलो, साउंड्स गुड. साउंड्स गुड. लेट्स गो. लेट्स कम. लेट्स जॉइन.
okay.
ओके, डन. So please note
Done.
down sounds good. Next.
Actually, ma'am, may I speak? Actually, sounds good mean whatever you have told me, that means.
हाँ,
Right.
मतलब whatever you are saying, मतलब सुनने में अच्छा
Yes.
लग रहा है. Guys, एक
Whatever,
बताओ.
whatever you are saying,
हाँ,
let's go.
it is giving pleasure to me.
हाँ, देख बात बताओ ना. इफ समवन इज आस्किंग कि चलो मूवी चलते हैं, या कोई डांस पार्टी अरेंज करते हैं, या मेरी बेटी किसी की बच्चे आ रहे हैं, तो यार सबको अच्छा लगता है ना. जो सुनने में अच्छा लगता है उसके लिए डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू से दिस वर्ड साउंड्स गुड.
Also,
ठीक है. अगर सपोज करो आपको बॉस कहता है कि क्या नाम है, हे विल यू एबल टू कंप्लीट दिस प्रोजेक्ट टुमारो, डू यू रियली थिंक सो? सुनने में किसी को अच्छा लगता है? किसी को नहीं अच्छा लगता, बिकॉज दैट इज अ प्रेशर. तो उसके लिए आप ये नहीं बोलोगे बॉस को, ओ बॉस साउंड्स गुड, लेट्स डू इट. नो, यू कैन नॉट से दिस थिंग. व्हाट यू विल से, कंसीडर इट डन सर.
pleasure to us, ma'am.
हाँ, आर यू गाइज गेटिंग? Yes के भी different meanings हैं, but in different situations you have to use. अगर pleasure है, sounds good. अगर if someone is giving you the responsibility and you have, मतलब you are happy to do, क्योंकि if you are doing that project on time, so definitely you come under the good books into your boss. So then you can say consider it done. Okay? Getting?
Yes.
and also, ma'am, sounds good. I can use like my daughter share some happy, some achievement. Yeah, do better anything.
But in the yes form, whenever you are saying yes, Jyoti,
No.
in that situation, you have to use sounds good. Sounds good. Okay, suppose, acha, I got it, Jyoti. Okay, what you were saying, suppose your daughter is telling something. कि Mama, today I have done this in the school, and you are saying, wow, it sounds good.
Praise.
So that is
God
also
praise.
okay. That is also okay. So a word has a multiple usage, but today we are going to discuss only the better version of yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Saraswati, read this.
Someone asks you, hello everyone, how about my
Proposal.
Proposal.
proposal? Can we really go ahead with
मेरा प्रपोजल कैसे लगा? क्या इसमें हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं? क्या बोलेंगे? यस यस, गो अहेड. यस, गो अहेड. बट बेटर वर्जन क्या है? आई एम अलाइंड विथ दिस. आई एम अलाइंड विथ दिस. So when you are showing, whenever you are using this, I am aligned with this. So body language is yes, you are nodding your head. You are nodding your head. It means that you are with him. Suppose your boss is introducing some new policies into your office. Okay? Your boss is introducing some new policies into your office, and your boss is asking, okay, my dear team, so how is my proposal? Are everyone is agree? So can we proceed? So being a team member, what we say? Yes, boss. So we always say
Well aligned with
nodding.
this.
So what we can say? I'm aligned with this, sir. I'm aligned with this.
Sounds good. Let's go.
मैम ये नहीं समझ में आया.
I am aligned with this का मतलब होता है कि when you are agree with this. When you are agree with this.
तो कुछ एग्जाम्पल दूसरा दीजिए जरा ना इसके लिए.
Basically, this phrase we have to use in the professional area. Professional area में suppose आपका boss जो है आपके साथ कुछ deadlines या कुछ भी policies, if your boss is discussing any policies with you, and being a team member, you are all agree because policies comes from the upper hierarchy. So definitely we are all agreed. Okay, so we are all noting. So don't say yes, yes, boss, go ahead. We can say yes, boss. Don't say yes, boss. You can say I'm aligned with this, sir. I'm aligned with this. Means I'm agree with this. I'm agree with this. I'm aligned with this.
Ma'am, here it can be used. Sir, I am with you.
I am with you again, Partha. That you can use, but again, it is a simple version. Simple version. I am with you. That is a simple version. But if you will say, I am aligned with you. I am aligned with you. Sir, I am aligned with you. So it means I am totally agree with you. Whatever the decision you are taking, I am with you. मतलब वही है पार्था, but थोड़ा सा polished way में.
Ma'am, sounds good. Let's go. It's also we can use, ना?
नहीं, तुषार sounds
नहीं,
good
यहाँ नहीं हो
basically use
सकता.
होता है जब pleasure का होता है. Pleasure.
Okay.
Pleasure. Suppose करो,
Ma'am,
Tushar. Sometimes,
Yes, ma'am.
most of the times it happens कि whatever the changes or whatever the policies the boss is introducing, sometimes we are not ready with that policies. But being a part of that organization, sometimes we have to nod our head. हमारे कोई excitement नहीं है, policy change हो रही है, ठीक है? But being a boss is saying कि that is a betterment for everyone. So sometimes we have to say yes. Sometimes we have to say yes. Okay. But we are not enjoying that thing. So if we are not enjoying that thing, so don't say sounds good. Okay. So
Ma'am,
then
we
you
can
can
also say
say,
like this.
I'm aligned with you.
We can also say like this here. Of course, we can go through this.
Yes. Partha, you can say, of course,
We can go through it.
we can go through.
Hmm.
We can go
We
through
can go
with
through
this.
this.
But that is not informal. Partha, if you are dealing in the profession, so the environment must be very formal. So I always say कि if you are working in a professional environment, so your language must be very formal. So if you are, Partha, इस line को बोलने में कहाँ pressure लग रहा है? I'm aligned with you, sir. बोल के देखो.
No,
Everyone will
actually-
speak.
actually-
Everyone will
actually-
speak.
Actually, ma'am, that is not the matter.
Line.
No, I tell you, Partha,
giving-
Partha,
For
what
giving
is
quick
the,
response, instead of yes, I can use it like.
I can understand, but Partha, trust me, this is more professional, more polite, more impressive phrases as compared to obviously, definitely, everyone is using. I'm trying to convey, if you start using these types of phrases into your daily conversation, you can be more impressive speaker.
Right.
Nothing is wrong, nothing is right. If you are speaking, everyone is right. But what is your level? That you need to check. और इसको बोल के देखो, I am aligned with you, sir. और नोटिंग करते हुए बोलना है इसको.
I am aligned with you.
You, sir. I am aligned with you, sir.
I am aligned with you.
हाँ, I am aligned with you, sir. Nodding करते हो, you're nodding.
I am
अगर आप
aligned with
sounds
you,
good
sir.
बोलोगे तो इसका मतलब आप बहुत excited हो, जो बिल्कुल नहीं होते. जब भी कुछ भी changes होती हैं, policies होती हैं, no one is ready to accept that changes. भाई अगर 9 to 5 की जॉब है, अच्छा खासा चल रहा है, बॉस कहता है नो 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 नो, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज द ऑफिस टाइमिंग, इट शुड बी 9 to 7. Okay, it will increase your output, it will increase the productivity. So being a member of that organization, sometimes we have to say yes. Okay, but we are not happy. But what we can say, I'm aligned with you, sir. Are you getting me?
Yes,
I'm aligned with you, sir.
of course.
Got that? Yes,
Ma'am,
Jyoti, yes, Jyoti.
yeah, ma'am, why putting ed in and aligned?
Why ED?
Ed, yeah.
Because
Yes,
this is
spelling.
हाँ
Yeah, whole spell या ed.
अलाइन का मतलब हुआ मैं आपके साथ हूँ।
हाँ, मैं आपके साथ हूँ।
और ये मतलब पूरा बोलना ed लगाना है
हाँ
मतलब।
हाँ हाँ, you have to use exactly in same way. I'm aligned because यहाँ पर aligned जो है is an adjective है, so you have to use this. Don't say I am aligning. No, I am aligned. I am aligned with you.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
हाँ, और nodding is mandatory.
And no smiling.
हाँ
No smile in face.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, कौन स्माइल करता है? अगर कोई चेंज कर दे, मेरे को कोई कह दे कि भैया 9 से 7 की जगह 9 से 9 का ऑफिस हो रहा है, तो डू यू रियली थिंक सो आई हैव अ स्माइल ऑन माय फेस? नो, बट डेफिनेटली आई हैव टू नॉडिंग माय हेड. ठीक है,
We have to
स्माइल भी कर दो सरस्वती, स्माइल भी कर दो, बॉस के आगे तो स्माइल करना ही पड़ता है, तो यू कैन ऑल्सो डू द स्माइल. ओके, बट मेन पर्पस है नॉटिंग.
But ma'am, suppose someone given that better
अपॉर्चुनिटी,
no better matlab
ऑप्शन.
yes, options, then that times you cannot say na. You can smile na that times. Suppose boss is given some bonus.
हाँ,
Okay,
डेफिनेटली.
10% bonus.
हाँ
Okay. Else given some 10% bonus. That times you will smile and tell them, right?
हाँ, तो फिर उसमें सिचुएशन क्या देंगे? बोनस के साथ सिचुएशन क्या देंगे? बॉस आपके मालदीव्स का ट्रिप थोड़ी आपको साथ में दे रहे हैं कि सेतराम, आई एम गिविंग यू द 10% बोनस एंड विल यू कंसीडर दिस मालदीव्स ट्रिप ऑल्सो? नो, ही विल नॉट
No.
से दिस थिंग. सो हाउ यू कैन से यस? देखो, सी सिचुएशन को ध्यान में रखो. यू हैव टू सी द सिचुएशन एंड इन दैट सिचुएशन इफ यू हैव टू से यस, so how you can say yes in the different situation. And Setram, smiling is, yes, definitely, if you will do the smiling on your face, so that is always good, always good.
तो मैं
Whatever the situation you have, you should have the smile on your
तो
face.
मैम फॉर मी इट इज नॉट यूजफुल आई थिंक.
Suppose
इला
suppose Ela ji, आपके husband आपसे बात कर रहे हैं.
हम्म,
Okay, if your husband is asking to you,
हम्म,
okay, कि Ela, I have designed your schedule. Suppose your lifestyle is not up to the mark, and your husband and your doctor is saying now you have to keep a watch on her health. Okay,
हम्म,
and then your husband is very strict, or
हम्म,
you can say is very possessive for you, which I have
हम्म,
seen in the workshop. Okay, so that he will make one diet chart for you, and he is asking ki, okay Ela, I have made this diet chart, so will you follow this? Will you follow this? Okay, so then in that case you can say yes, I'm aligned with this diet chart. You will see this diet chart, and then you
I am
can say
aligned with
yes,
this.
I'm aligned, means I'm ready with this. Then
I
in
will
that
go
case,
with I will go with this.
I will go with this. I'm with you. Whatever the diet chart you have constructed for me, I'm okay with it.
Not yeah, this is clear. No.
Now this is clear. Okay.
Yes.
Now Shahrukh, one of the favorite. Okay, so Shahrukh is the best actor right now. Shahrukh is the best actor. Okay. Your answer is yes, I know. Yes, I know. Okay. But what would be the better version? But what would be the better version? The better version is yes, that makes sense. That makes sense.
That makes
That makes sense. मतलब हाँ, सबको पता है. That makes sense. So that makes sense you can use in the different situations also. So body language क्या है? When you show you are in, you believe the same. मतलब आप भी उस चीज को believe करते हो. You also believe the same. You also believe the same. So in that case, you can say that makes sense. That makes sense. You also believe the same. Suppose, have you watched the movie Dhurandhar?
Yes, yes.
Okay. तो ना फिल्में नहीं देखते हो तुम लोग, क्या करते हो लाइफ में?
Yes, ma'am, I have seen it and I
अच्छा
like
ठीक है,
it.
अगर यू लाइक इट, ठीक है, सपोज सब मैं कह रही हूँ भाई, मैं अपना व्यू पॉइंट दे रही हूँ कि गाइस हैव यू, आई रियली लाइक द धुरंधर मूवी है, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो से yes, it is really a good movie, but don't say it is really a good movie. You can also say yeah, that makes sense, means you also believe that Dhurandhar is a good movie.
But ma'am, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है this is not matching this with this
शाहरुख, नहीं
sentence.
देखो, सी हम ये कह रहे हैं कि when we are saying कि that we also believe the same, हम भी उस चीज को मानते हैं। जैसे मैं कहती हूँ शाहरुख is the best actor, right? And you also say yes, Shahrukh is the best actor. We both believe the same thing, so then we can say that makes sense. हाँ Jyoti?
Agree with her.
Yes, we are agree. When we are believing, so that we can say that makes sense.
Huh? I have
That
one
makes-
question.
Yes, Jyoti.
Sometimes children, मतलब कि unnecessary put up questions, doubts, unnecessary. That also told teacher कि that makes sense. मतलब ये question का कोई meaning है जो तुम पूछ
वो
रहे हो?
that is a different ज्योति, that वो sense का मतलब होता है कि क्या इसका कोई sense भी है,
मतलब
हाँ वो अलग है, बट यहाँ पर आता है that makes sense का मतलब when you are saying yes, देखो मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ इंग्लिश में जब दैट्स वाई इंग्लिश को हम कहते हैं इंग्लिश इज अ वेरी मिस्टीरियस लैंग्वेज, व्हाई? बिकॉज एक ही वर्ड के दे आर द मल्टीपल यूसेजेस, a single word has a multiple usages.
And how to say in different situation also depends
नहीं
on.
देखो, situation is very easy to understand. If you are using in a yes way, if you are using in a believe way, कि yes, I also believe the same, so then in that case you have to use that makes sense. Yes, Tushar.
Shah Rukh Khan English conversation is better. He is not only he has a fluency, but also he mostly vocabulary use in his conversation.
Yes, so he's a very good orator. इसको पूरे को
Yeah,
हम बोल देते हैं orator.
orator.
Orator जैसे नरेंद्र मोदी जी, he is a very good orator. ओरेटर मतलब जिनका वोकैब भी अच्छा होता है, फ्लुएंसी भी अच्छा होता है, जिनके अंदर ह्यूमर भी होता है, मोटिवेशन भी होता है, यू ऑल्सो गेटिंग सम लर्निंग्स ऑल्सो, सो दैट इज
Shashi Tharoor. Shashi
Better
Tharoor.
means good speaker, ma'am.
हाँ स्पीकर वर्ड क्या हो गया चंदन? नाउ दैट इज एन ऑब्सोलीट वर्ड, सो दैट यू कैन से ओरेटर.
Ma'am, Shashi Tharoor.
मुझे
शशि
समझ नहीं
थरूर.
आता शशि थरूर. तुषार, that is a different perception. मतलब I really, I'm not able to understand that person. And if I'm not able to understand that person, so according to me,
Because
he's
ma'am,
not.
because some English speaker classes now they marketing you speak like a Shashi Tharoor. So I told you.
Do you really think so? You can understand at
I
least
know,
half
ma'am.
of the language, whatever he is speaking, because his level is very high. Definitely, gradually by practice, we can understand. But right now, yes, Shahrukh is one of the very good orator. Because if you listen, Shahrukh, unka sense of humor is up to the mark. Because he has that skill how to grasp the attention of your audience. Okay, motivation, vocabulary, and very simple vocabulary he used so that other person can easily understand.
Okay.
Okay, next situation. Ilaji, read it.
Someone asks you, can I be sure you will switch off the AC before you leave the room?
Can I be sure can I be sure you will switch off the AC before you leave the room?
Certainly.
Certainly. Or you can say yes, of course. Or you can say yes, sure. But what is a better version? You can count on me. You can count on me. You can count on me.
मतलब आप विश्वास कर सकते हो.
हाँ मतलब आप मेरे को गिन सकते हो, आप मेरे पे ट्रस्ट कर सकते हो. So whenever you are saying you can count on me, you just smile with a thumbs up. You can count on me. You can count on me. So it means your job, your show job will be done. जो भी आपने मुझे काम बोला है, whatever the responsibilities you assign to me, that will be done.
What is the body language will be?
Smile with thumbs up. You have a smile with thumbs up. Okay? You
एक
can
मिनट
count on
अभी
me.
अभी हाँ
You
अभी
can
रहने दो।
count on me.
लाइक कि तुम भरोसा कर सकते हो
हाँ, मतलब you are assigning me this responsibility और समझो कि हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा. You can count on me. You can count on me. Your job will be done. So basically, you can count on me that you can use in informal environment. Consider it done, you can use in more formal environment. Formal environment. Okay? So
Yes.
count, you can count on me. आप मुझे count कर सकते हो, मतलब you can give me this responsibility. You can count on me. Suppose, Jyoti, आपके suppose करो 2 बच्चे हैं and you are leaving for party and you are saying to your elder one कि आप छोटे का ध्यान रखोगे ना? Your elder one is saying, yes, mama, I will definitely take care of younger brother or the sister. So instead of saying, yes, mama, I will take care, what your elder one will speak?
You can count on me.
हाँ, mama, you can count on me. ऐसे करके, mama, you can count on me. Get it? Mama, you can count on me.
Here I can say, consider it done. Mama,
Consider it done, Saraswati. That's why I'm saying, na, consider it done mostly used in the formal environment.
Okay.
And count, you can count on me, that is mostly used in the informal. Informal मतलब होता है जब अपने friend से, sibling से, बच्चों से बात कर रहे हैं, तो basically you can use this. You can count on me.
Okay.
You can count on me.
You can count on me.
जैसे my son,
Suppose.
If my son says, Mama, will you wake me up in the morning? So I will say, yes, you can count on me.
Very good. Excellent. Very nice. You can say, yes, beta, you can count on me.
Yes, beta, you can count on me.
You can count on me. का मतलब ही हो गया, yes, definitely I will do this work. समझो, ये जो तुमने मेरे को responsibility दिया था, whatever the responsibility you have assigned to me, that will be done. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Partha, clear?
Yes,
Devyani,
clear,
are you getting?
but I have a
Yes,
question,
Yes,
ma'am.
you count on me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Yes.
But
Yes.
I have a question. That is, if this question is put up by my boss, what will be the
Again, Partha, again it depends ki how there is a mutual understanding between you and your boss. If there is a no bossiness and the colleague
then I can use
relationship.
it.
If you have a good relationship, so then you
Yeah.
can also say,
Yes,
because in the corporate culture, then you can say, yes, boss, you can count on me.
Count on me.
But if there is a not such a good relationship between your boss, boss is boss, you and you. So then you can say, consider it done, sir. Again, I'm saying it depends on the situation. It depends on the situation. Clear this thing, Ajanta?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Please note down.
Yes, ma'am.
Noted, ma'am.
Islam clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose Setram, your wife is asking कि आज मूवी लगी है धुरंधर 2, ठीक है, उसका आप मूवी टिकट लेके आओगे? क्या बोलोगे?
Yes, you can count on me.
You can count on me.
On me.
हाँ. Yes, dear, जो भी कुछ बोलना है वाइफ का, you can take the name also. That would be more impressive. ठीक है? Yes, dear, या जो भी बोलते हो. Yes, dear, you can count on me. It means कि yes, of course, I will take the tickets for you. Okay, but if you are saying yes, you can count on me, तो लेके चले जाना tickets, because now you have taken the responsibility. पता चले रात को ही महाभारत छिड़ जाए घर के अंदर. ठीक है? Done? चलो, next.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Ajanta, read this.
Yes, ma'am.
Marvel
Someone asked you,
series.
what do you think about Spider-Man Marvel series? Aren't they awesome?
मार्वल सीरीज, ठीक है। सपोज करो कोई आपसे पूछ रहा है मार्वल सीरीज आपने देखी है, आरंट दे ऑसम, एंड यू आर सेइंग यस एब्सोल्युटली, द सीरीज आर ऑसम, द सीरीज आर ऑसम। ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी स्पीक इन दिस वे, बट व्हाट इज द बेटर वर्जन? अनक्वेश्चनेबली।
Questionable.
अनक्वेश्चनेबली का मतलब होता है विदाउट अ डाउट, विदाउट अ डाउट। आई एग्री विद योर पॉइंट, मैं तुम्हारे पॉइंट से बिल्कुल एग्री हूं। अनक्वेश्चनेबली आई एग्री विद योर पॉइंट, मतलब बिना किसी डाउट के आई एग्री। अनक्वेश्चनेबली तो क्या बोलोगे? अनक्वेश्चनेबली।
Questionable.
Question.
योर बॉडी लैंग्वेज इज यू शो द थम्स अप एंड you accept the statement unquestionably. Suppose I'm asking with Jyoti. Jyoti, do you really think so that communication plays a vital role in our day-to-day life?
Once again, ma'am.
Communication is important for us.
Yes, yes.
अब yes नहीं बोलना ज्योति, इसी को तो रिमूव करना है। ये yes जो चढ़ गया है, क्या बोलोगे इसको? Unquestionably communication plays a very important role in our life.
इसमें कोई डाउट ना, मतलब
हाँ, उसमें तो कोई डाउट ही नहीं है ना भाई, कम्युनिकेशन तो वेरी
कोई
इंपॉर्टेंट।
क्वेश्चन ही नहीं करने की
हाँ,
बात
कोई
है।
क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है, नो क्वेश्चन एट ऑल, नो डाउट एट ऑल। Unquestionably. हाँ, unquestionably. हाँ, unquestionably. Without doubt. I agree with your point. Okay, clear?
ये भी कोई पूछने वाली बात तो है, मतलब ऐसे लाइक दैट।
हाँ, ये भी क्या पूछने वाली बात है? इस पे तो कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं हो सकता। ये तो बिल्कुल क्लियर कट है, बिल्कुल क्लियर कट है। Suppose someone is asking कि do you really think so कि that we should work on our sleeping, we should make मतलब make discipline in our life, we should control our sleeping hours, we should have the healthy food. So definitely what we can say, yes, definitely, of course, but what we can say, unquestionably we all follow the disciplined life, unquestionably, without any doubt, उसके ऊपर कोई डाउट ही नहीं। Is good communication, is communication good for leadership? Suppose someone of you are leaders in your team, so I'm asking, is communication good for leaders?
Unquestionably.
Unquestionably communication is good for every leaders. Okay, जरूरी नहीं है कि 8 के 8 बजे, 8 में से if you are getting 4 or 5 from these 8, that is okay. But the challenge is that how you can use. Next is someone asks you, may I use the washroom? हम क्या बोलते हैं? Someone is asking, may I use your washroom?
Definitely.
Definitely, yes please. Yes please. आपका ही है. But what you can say? Be my guest. क्या बोलेंगे आप? Be my guest. Be my guest.
मैं अगर सामने वाले को समझ नहीं आया तो क्या बोल रही है?
अब ये देखो, ये सामने वाले की प्रॉब्लम है, तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। You have to say, be my guest.
Then we have to say, yes, you can use it.
No, you must be very assertive. Be my guest. Be my guest. Be my guest का मतलब, yes, my permission is there, or you will feel free. Can I sit here? Suppose someone is asking, can I sit here? Be my guest. हम क्या बोलते हैं? Yes, please have a seat. No, always say, be my guest. Be my guest का मतलब, yes, please, I'm giving the permission.
And what will be the body language, ma'am?
Body language is, yes, you show the ways. In this way, na, you can show the way. Suppose करो someone is asking कि may I use your washroom, जैसे ज्योति ने बोला कि आप simple हम बोल देंगे be my guest, उसको नहीं समझ आएगा, तो in that case you have to just
Body language.
you have to use your body language. उनको you have to show the way. You have to show the way. Okay?
And so yes, कह सकते हैं, if we are going somewhere, so we will ask somebody, yeah, this is the way we are going, is correct?
This is a way.
We are going.
No, but where we have used be my guest. You
Oh,
have
yes,
to
yes,
use
yes.
be
No,
my
not.
guest.
We will not use here.
Be my guest. Be my guest का मतलब होता है yes please when you are giving the permission. When you are giving the permission. Suppose you are sitting in a restaurant. You are sitting in a restaurant and someone is asking कि ma'am can I sit here? तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? Most of the time we say ना yes yes please sit.
Can I have a glass of water?
Can I have a
glass of water?
So then you are not showing the way.
It is only used in the way
whenever basically you are showing the directions and you are guiding, basically for the guiding purpose.
कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं तो उस सेंस में बोल सकते हैं, कहते हैं ना कि फील फ्री टू कांटेक्ट मी.
मतलब whenever you are giving the permission कि yes you can do this, yes you can do
this.
जैसे सपोज करो someone is asking can I take your water bottle, so then you can say मतलब उसको water bottle pass करके आप बोल सकते हो yes be my guest.
Yes.
Be my guest, but you have to pass the water bottle. ये नहीं water bottle अपने पास ही पकड़ रखी है और उसको बोल रहे हो be my guest. No, you have to show the way. You have to show the way.
Yeah,
Okay.
he can also show that hanky is given to him and also tell be my guest.
be my guest, be my guest. And frequently, जैसे suppose करो restaurant में बैठे हो and suppose you are sitting in a movie hall, so आपका side वाला seat खाली है, so someone is asking कि can I sit here, ma'am? So then you can say yes. Don't say yes. You can say be my guest. Be my guest.
Oh my.
Yes, I'm giving you the permission. You can sit here.
But that seat is not in our control. How can we say?
जब जब जो जिसकी सीट होगी वो अपने आप ही आके उठाएगा. तुम तो कह सकते हो ना be my guest. Be my guest. Yes, you are giving the permission.
Ma'am, we can say like this, why not?
Why not? Okay, why not? But why not, Partha? Again, it is a very casual way. Why not? But if you are saying be my guest, that should be more formal. That should be more formal. Okay? Next is, someone asks you, is your final answer yes? क्या आपका final answer yes है? आप कहते हो yes. लेकिन better version होगा affirmative. Affirmative का मतलब होता है when you are using this word, you have to nod your head and whenever you are showing that you are very committed. मतलब आपका हाँ है. You are very assertive. You are very affirmative.
पक्का वाला श्योर.
हाँ, पक्का वाला श्योर. जैसे पूछते ना आपका फाइनल आंसर है, लॉक कर दिया जाए. केबीसी में वो अमिताभ जी बोलते हैं लॉक कर दिया जाए. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स होते हैं वो व्हाट विल जो हॉट सीट पे होता है वो क्या कहता है, यस सर लॉक कर दिया जाए. तो इन दैट केस ही और शी कैन ऑल्सो से अफर्मेटिव. बस इतना ही बोलना है अफर्मेटिव. इट मीन्स कि यस अफर्मेटिव करते वक्त यू हैव टू नोड योर हेड. मतलब
किसी दूसरे सेंस में भी यूज होता है मैम ना. यू हैव टू राइट योर अफर्मेशंस एंड
हाँ that is different affirmations. ठीक है, that is a noun. लेकिन यहाँ पर हम कर रहे हैं इन द, मैंने जैसे पहले भी बोला इला जी, one word has a multiple usages. यहाँ पर affirmative का, वैसे तो affirmative sentences भी होते हैं. जैसे हमने tenses में कर रहे थे affirmative sentences. बट यहाँ पर affirmative का मतलब होता है yes, but when you are using in a
yes
committed way. Suppose your child exams are approaching, okay, and he is asking ki mama, will you not allow me to go to the party as my result doesn't come out, okay, and you are saying yes. भाई जब तक आपका रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा, जब तक you won't pass, I will not allow you for any party. So what you can say? Affirmative. Affirmative मतलब you are very committed कि you are not allowing him to go into any party. Okay? अच्छा, इसमें से ये वाले वर्ड पढ़ो, देखो ये सही है, इसमें ये भी यूज कर सकते हो, रोजर डैट, ये भी आप यूज करते हो, यू आर डेड राइट, ये भी। अच्छा, इसमें ना एक वर्ड है टोट्स, प्लीज नोट डाउन, टोट्स, TOTES, टोट्स। टोट्स का मतलब होता है टोटली, टोटली यस, टोटली यस। सपोज करो आप, यू आर शोइंग, यू आर प्रेजेंटिंग सम आइडियाज इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर बॉस एंड योर बॉस इज सेइंग आइडिया इज अमेजिंग, टोट्स एग्री। टोट्स एग्री का मतलब हो गया टोटली एग्री, टोटली एग्री, टोट्स एग्री। थाउजेंड टाइम्स यस, थाउजेंड टाइम्स यस का मतलब होता है मतलब व्हेन यू आर वेरी हैप्पी, व्हेन यू आर वेरी हैप्पी। ठीक है, सपोज करो आपका बॉस कहता है वुड यू लाइक टू जॉइन दिस प्रोजेक्ट अगेन एंड यू आर वेरी हैप्पी टू जॉइन दिस, सो देन यू कैन से 1,000 times yes, 1,000 times yes। स्पॉट ऑन, स्पॉट ऑन का मतलब होता है एग्जैक्टली राइट, एग्जैक्टली राइट, योर आंसर इज एग्जैक्टली राइट, यू कैन से योर आंसर इज स्पॉट ऑन, योर आंसर इज स्पॉट ऑन। Okay, now the topic is I love to help others. I love to help others. So whatever the words are coming into your mind, whatever the phrases we have learned in today's session of using, of replacing yes, you have to use that. I love to help others.
You can count on me.
Huh?
You can count on me.
You can count on me. Yes, definitely. So now I'm sending you into the breakout room, guys. You have to discuss with your peer group and make one write-up. One write-up. Okay, I will come into your breakout room. I will listen. Okay, clear what you have to do? The topic is I love to help others. You have to make one write-up by discussing with your peer group.
I'm in my mind कि अभी बोलना है।
I'm sending you into the breakout room. Okay, I'm sending you into the breakout room. Discuss with your peer group. Make one write-up per group. ऐसा ना हो 3 write-ups. No, make one write-up. Some points one peer group will speak. Some points other peer group will speak. One write-up, and then you have to speak. Clear this thing? Everyone will join. Devyani, would you like to join, dear? Sure. I'm sending you. Okay.
Ma'am, would you please repeat again? What is the topic?
I love
Help to others.
Sorry, ma'am.
I love to help others.
Okay.
Okay. Please join.